Okay, next example. So, we have y equal to secant x squared times tangent x squared. So, as you can see, referring to the three basic formulas of differentiation process, so it belongs to the product rule since that is the product of two functions, secant and tangent. So, when you are referring to the product rule, that is derivative of uv, so you have to determine first what is the value of u and v. So when we say u and v, that are the functions being multiplied. So let us denote secant x squared as the value of u and tangent x squared as the value of v. But take note, you can interchange the value of u and v. You may use v as secant and then tangent as the value of u. So let us derive. So following the formula of the product rule, so that is equal to u times derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So let us set up the given equation for the derivative. So we have y prime, that is for the derivative, equal to value of u. So simply copy the value of u, secant x squared, and then times derivative of v. So let us copy the value of v, tangent x squared plus v. So simply copy v tangent x squared, and then times derivative of u. So we have secant x squared. So in this case, we have to find the value of the derivative of tangent x squared and derivative of secant x squared. So this function belongs to the derivative of the trigonometric function. So you have to look for the derivative of tangent u and also the derivative of secant u. So let us derive these two first before we move on to the derivative of this given product. So for the derivative of tangent u, so that is equal to secant squared u times derivative of u. So following the rule, so that is of the form tangent u. So the value of u is x squared. So we have secant squared u, the value of u is x squared, times derivative of u, derivative of x squared is 2x. Or simply equal to 2x secant squared x squared. So this is the value of the derivative of tangent x squared. On the other side, so we have to derive secant. So you have to look for the derivative of secant u. So the formulas are given to you in the module. You can also refer to the index part of the given module. So we have the derivative of secant u is secant u times tangent u times du. And then since that is of the form secant u, so u is x squared. And then following the given formula, that is equal to secant u, that is x squared, times tangent u, x squared, times derivative of u, derivative of x squared is 2x, or simply equal to 2x secant x squared tangent x squared. So, take note, hindi po i-multiply ang constant and also the algebraic function doon sa angle. So, yung angle ng trigonometric function ay hindi ginagalaw. So, hindi yan magbabago. Unless otherwise, gagamit kayo ng identities. So, going back doon sa ating previous line, so, ipalit na natin yung mga values ng derivatives doon sa derivative ng tangent and also doon sa derivative ng secant. So, y prime is equal to secant x squared, and then yung derivative ng tangent, yung nakuha natin kanina, so do not forget the grouping symbol, 2x secant squared x squared plus tangent x squared, and then times yung derivative ng secant u. So, yung ating result kanina. So, 2x secant x squared tangent x squared. And then, so, following the exponent, the law of exponent, so, kapag sinabing same base, So, ang base ay secant. So, simply add the exponent. So, we have secant. So, unahin natin yung number and the algebraic function. So, 2x secant cube x squared. And then, take note, hindi po pinagmumultiply ang angle. As I have said a while ago, hindi yan nagbabago or retain lang. Unless otherwise, gumamit ka ng identities. Plus, so unahin natin yung constant and algebraic function x. And then, copy yung secant x squared. And then, yung same base. So, simply add the exponent. So, raise to 1 parehas. So, magiging tangent x squared. So, pwede na kayo tumigil dyan kapag walang makakancel out or wala kayong magagamit na identities. Pwede din naman nating ayusin. So, pwede nating i-factor out yung common dun sa dalawang term. So, as you can see, ang common sa dalawang term is 2x and secant x squared. So, raised to 1 lang kasi yun nandito ay raised to 1. So, we have y prime equal to 2x secant x squared. Yun ang common. So, kung ito'y pinactor out natin sa unang term, may matitira tayong secant squared x squared plus, so, yung ipinactor out natin sa second term, inilabas na ito na yon. So, natira natin is tangent squared x squared. So, kapag wala na magagamit na identities, pwede na kayong tumigil dyan.